I'm going to kick things off with Siva Surendira of Lyzr, and I'm happy to report he's moving his company from New Jersey to New York City. Applause for that. He will be introduced by Casey Benzy of BBH, who joined the lab this year. Casey, over to you.
Hi, guys. Thanks, Maria, and thanks, Luke and Christy, for an amazing program. So my name's Casey Benzy, and I'm representing the innovation team over at Brown Brothers Harriman. This is our first year participating, and both Palki and Lyzr have made this amazingly easy on us. Siva and the team have been delightful to work with over the past few months. It's clear this team is ready for growth, and it's been wonderful to see them grow with grace over the past few months. They've created an enterprise agent platform that spans industries and verticals, and they're building what they hope to be a household name in the agentic space, and simultaneously are bringing together the startup community by hosting these amazing sailing events. If you're interested in sailing or you're not interested but just curious, look up Siva's LinkedIn. Really cool. I'm excited to see what this team continues to achieve, and now I'm going to hand it to Siva to tell you more about the work that they're doing. It's really exciting.
Thanks, Casey. You've been a wonderful chaperone for us. Good morning, everyone. My name is Siva, founder of Lyzr, a private full-stack agent infrastructure platform with built-in responsible AI guardrails. So why did we build Lyzr today? There is a big reliability problem with agents. If you see 95% of all AI projects remain in proof of concept stage, and I think you would be seeing that in your firms as well. What are the reasons? Number one being hallucinations. Number two, data privacy concerns. And number three being explainability, something that regulatory bodies now demand. So at Lyzr, we thought, what if we solve this problem at the source, which is the agent itself? So we embedded the responsible AI guardrails and hallucination manager modules native within the core agent, making an agent responsible by design. And we are the first and only framework to do so, by the way. How does it work? When the agent intercepts a PII data, the PII redaction module is able to handle it and not allow the data to pass to the backend LLM, thereby keeping your systems compliant. And when an LLM generates an inaccurate output, the groundedness module kicks in, sends feedback to the LLM, and this goes in loops until your hallucination issue is fixed. So we made an agent responsible by design, an innovation that got us several industry recognitions, including Accenture Venture Award and Harvard Award. And today, we've built the Lyzr Studio, keeping enterprises in mind. Built on top of the framework is a low-code, no-code platform that allows both developers and business users to collaborate and build agents. And if you are a developer, you can get to the low-code mode, the dev mode, and you can directly interact with the code, and you still get transparency and observability on top. Lyzr platform is designed to run within your own cloud or on-prem, so you get 100% data privacy. Platform is LLM agnostic and cloud agnostic, and most importantly, open source. So you don't have to figure out how to make LangGraph work within your organization and deploy and manage. Just get Lyzr Studio in. We are the enterprise alternative for LangGraph. Today, several Fortune 500s and startups are building on Lyzr. Very recently, one of the world's largest banks chose Lyzr among the top 3 agent platforms, a validation that speaks of the technology that we've been building. Let's look at some traction numbers. We've been a framework company for entire 2024, and in Jan 2025, we launched our studio, the low-code, no-code platform, which is receiving a lot of love. And I think the last 5 months, we added about 15,000 developers on the platform, over 1,800 plus organizations, over 100,000 production agents. And from a financials point of view, we hit 1.5 million ARR, like yesterday evening at a dinner. And we are getting to 2 million by end of this quarter and 7 million by this year. And we are raising our, Series A this summer. We actually built an agent to do that. We are launching the agent on Monday. You'll all see that. So obviously, we have to dog food our stuff. Today, Lyzr platform offers all critical building blocks to build an agent. You can build reasoning agents, multi-agent orchestrations, knowledge graphs, enterprise integrations, and responsible AI guardrails. With that, you can build blueprints like this, a customer onboarding automation agent, which can handle AML checks with human in loop. And we were able to reduce cycle time by 90%, 2x improvement in straight-through processing, and almost 45% reduction in false positives. These blueprints is something that we've been collecting so that you don't have to go through these experiments all over again. We today have 200 plus blueprints for financial services industries, reducing your experimentation by 70%. And powered by these blueprints, we are happy to launch banking super agent, Agent Amaddio, and insurance super agent, Agent Benji. There is a reason behind the names, which you will find on our website, but these agents help you to adopt the specialized workflows to automate various banking value chain processes and insurance value chain processes. And we are growing the partner ecosystem. We are partnered with strategic partners like Accenture and AWS and upstarts like GoML to help you further adopt these agents, build and manage these agents in the long run. We also launched Lyzr Baybridge program, inspired by a meeting that we had with David Solomon at Goldman Sachs. Now, Lyzr Baybridge program gives you 6 months of developer licenses with dedicated forward deployed engineers, 24/7 human technical support, and more importantly, my personal cell number. That is a high bar that we've set for customer service. So lastly, the team understands enterprise. I previously built APAC's #1 AI/ML startup, winning several awards with AWS and Microsoft. And the team comes from a rich enterprise background, so we do really understand enterprise. Thanks again for this wonderful opportunity. Thanks to Fintech Innovation Lab, Partnership Fund for New York, and Accenture. Thank you so much.
Build safe and responsible agents. Introducing Lyzr.